Hello, my name is Sandra, and today I'm going to walk you through installing Ubuntu on an old Windows laptop. So today I'm going to take an old laptop that's been running Windows 10 and I am going to make it into an Ubuntu desktop. So I'm totally going to wipe the operating system and install Ubuntu. So two things that I'm going to need, well three, is some kind of storage device, a USB port, or I'm going to use an SD card today. Then you're going to need a piece of software named Rufus, and then you're going to need your operating system. So you might say, what is Rufus? Well, Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable flash drives, or SD cards in our case. So I've already downloaded that to save time. To get your operating system, you would go to ubuntu.com and then go to downloads. And I'm going to download the 18.04 LTS because it's been tested a little bit more. You could download the one that is more in beta if you wanted to, but I'm going to go with this one. It might be a little bit more stable. So let's open up Rufus. And when it opens up, I would choose my flash drive or my SD card. And then I'm going to select the image that I want to copy onto the SD card. So I downloaded Ubuntu last night. It does take a little while to download both of these pieces of software. So then if we wanted to change the label of the USB or the SD card, then we can change the label here. That's what is going to show up whenever we put it into our drives. We're going to leave it with quick format, create extended labels and icon files, and then let's go ahead and check device for bad blocks. And let's hit start. It's going to tell us that it needs another piece of software, newest version, so let's say yes. And let's go ahead and let it do that and say OK. So while my boot disk is being created, and it does take a little while for this to happen, let's go back over what you are going to need. A USB or a storage device that's at least 4 gigabytes. Today I'm using one that is 8 gigabytes just to give myself a little wiggle room. You're going to need Rufus, which the version I'm using today is 3.8. That is the current version. Ubuntu or another operating system that you would like to install. There are lots of different distributions of Linux, so choose the one that you prefer. Okay, so now I have a Lenovo laptop that is a Windows 10, and we're about to make it into an Ubuntu desktop. So I'm going to plug in my USB port that we created. By the way, I did have to change to a USB port. It did not like my SD card. And then we're going to turn on the laptop, and we're going to use our F12 button to go into the boot sequence. So then we select our USB port and we hit enter. And now it's going to start installing Ubuntu. Okay, and so then you would just follow the prompts on the screen and set up your Ubuntu laptop. You will at some point be prompted to choose whether you want to overwrite your operating system and install Ubuntu as the full operating system, or whether you just want to continue to test it and play with it from the USB port.